Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
All right, y'all. Here we go. Nice strong arms, shoulders are dropped. Pop it here and 1. Push those arms out. 2. 4 more. And 5. Keep those abs in. 6. 7. Prep. Tick tock to the right. 1, 2, 3. To the back, to the left. 2. Lunge, chuck that butt under. Get those pecs together. Shoulders rolling back. Double. Prep, tick tock. 2. To the left. Windows tuck it. 1, 2. Shoulders rolling back. Double. Last. Whip it around. 1, 2. Again. 5, 6. Other side. Whip it. 1, 2. 4 more. 5, 6. Up and down with it. 1, 2. If you have room to move, travel. Other side. Toes up and down. 2. I'm gonna circle if you like. Prep tick tock to the right. 2. Take it back. Windows. Tuck it. Hit it. 1, 2. Shoulders rolling. Double. Prep tick tock to the right. Hit your shoulder. To the left. Windows. Tuck that butt under. 2. Drop that knee. Shoulders. Get ready to slow it down. Engage that quarter knee up. 1, 2. Around 3, 4. Lift 5, 6. Step through 7, 8. 1, 2. Around 3, 4. Lift 5, 6. Step through 7, 8. 1, 2. Bend that standing leg. Help you with your balance. And lift 5, 6. Step through. Other side. 1, 2. Around 3, 4. Lift 5, 6. Step through. Walk for 4 back. 4, 3, 2. Prep. Tick tock. 1, 2. To the left. Windows. Tuck. Shoulders rolling back. Double. Prep. Tick tock. 2. To the left. Windows. Tuck. 2. Rolling shoulders. Double. Double. Woo. Nice job. That was Groove Dance Fitness Tick Tock. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click that thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel. Become a groover. And I look forward to seeing you in our, I can't even catch my breath. Isn't that terrible? But I'm going to get there. I'm going to get there. The more you do, the more endurance you'll build up. And that's what I'm trying to do. Build up my endurance. Hoping you'll come along with me. Thank you so much and take care. I'll see you in the next video.